Okay guys, what we got here is a typical Columbia River Gorge ice storm. These are horrible, everything freezes up. You're pretty much stuck in your house unless you want to risk injury slipping on your butt or wrecking your car. You can't get some traction devices like ice chains for your truck or ice chains for your feet. These are the Yax tracks. So I got those on, but just check this out. Check it out. Look at this stuff. Everything's just a sheet of ice. Sheet of ice. We had a big storm roll through here. As you can see, my rotten fence got blown down. Dang, might be a little dangerous out here, incoming. So we're gonna put the DMOS shovel to the test. And we're gonna see how it handles pretty much ice, and maybe maybe some snow. So let's put it to the test. Let's see what it does. Solid sheet of ice. Solid sheet of ice. Okay, I'm in my driveway, and as you can tell behind me, there's a bunch of snow and ice. You can probably hear it falling off the trees around me. And what I got here is my DIY homemade recovery kit bag, and on the exterior of this bag I have the DMOS, which I think stands for do my own stuff, or perhaps do my own, I'm not sure, stealth shovel. And they're from a company out of the Jackson Hole, Wyoming area. These are made in the USA shovels. And so I'm gonna put it to the test. I got it for my truck thinking it would be very useful when I get stuck with snow, sand, or mud. And so I thought this morning is a perfect opportunity to test the gear here in the driveway, because I got some great icy conditions. And let's see how it handles ice and snow. So I just have this affixed to the outside of this pack. I'm using some belt keepers at the top, and just a little shock cord at the bottom, and it hangs on there pretty good. So let's take a look at this thing. Looks pretty cool. It's designed in Wyoming and made in Oregon. And so the handle just slides inside there. Let's see if I can get this. See, if you press these buttons, hands are really cold out here. All right, now here's the trick. That part goes into that part. Okay. And then, so there's one length. There's two length. Feels pretty stout. Let's put it to the test. All right, man, this thing goes beast mode, like Marshawn Lynch on the New Orleans Saints on snow and ice. Thoroughly impressed with it. I can tell you what, this beats your dad's snow shovel. Get rid of that thing. All right, this thing's pretty cool. Super pumped. It's got these teeth right here that you can just smash and crash through ice. It would make an excellent shovel, actually, just for your house too. Great car shovel. Let's see if I can put this thing back together. So that detaches there. Great vehicle shovel. And I believe you start at the bottom, work your way up, Here we go. One more. Try one more too. And then it just slides through there and it just clicks. Man, that's pretty slick. It's a great design. You know, and this thing's small enough that if you wanted to take it snowshoeing with you, you could just strap it on the back of your pack, and it would probably make a great shovel for the backcountry if you're not going too far with too much weight. So, man, this thing definitely beat the Columbia River ice storm in the battle of DMOS versus Columbia River Gorge ice. We have a winner. Thanks for watching, guys.